Guys, welcome to the Swing Trader channel. Let me give you a short description about our channel. On daily basis, we will do the analysis and we will highlight the list of stocks which are suitable for swing and intraday trader to proceed for the next day. And we will also highlight the give the review of the stocks which are highlighted in the past 1 week. Every weekend we will give the status of those stocks. So for the past 1 week, from 10th August 2020 to 14th August 2020, we have highlighted 53 stocks. Let us review the status of those stocks based on their volatility and profit percentage. So on 10th we have highlighted 18 stocks, and you can find their price ranges greater than 7 and 1 to 3, 3 to 7 percentage. All these were the profit percentage. So 5 stocks have earned greater than 7 percentage profit, and 1 to 3 percentage profit earned by 4 stocks, and 3 to 7 percentage earned by 9 stocks. So in that way we have given their classification, and we are segregated their ranges from less than 0 to 0 and greater than 7, 1 to 3 and 3 to 7. And you can find the one stock which have earned negative profit, so that is loss. So our price action strategy didn't work for only one stock. So other than that, all the stock have earned profit. So we have earned out of 53, one stock is not on the particular day, it's not come up with our expectation. So nearly 98 percentage of stocks have earned the profit as per our analysis. And to be more specific, I have given the presentation in the form of chart, so you can find it here. Less than 0 to 0, one stock, and 11 to 1 to 3 percentage profit earned by 12 stock, and greater than 7 earned by 11 stock, and 3 to 7 percentage profit earned by 29 stock. Total 53 stock we have highlighted for this week. So let us on daily basis I will give the review of the stocks which worked as per our price action strategy. Today for the past 1 week, we on the based on past 1 week data, I have taken this two stocks. Let us review the status of this stock, how the price action strategy worked well for the stock. So let us review Oricon Enterprise. We have highlighted this stock for 11th August 2020. So when the market start, the price of the stock is 16.85 on 11th August. You can see here the price of the stock is 16.85, but on the same day the price has been gone till 18.4. So our price action strategy really worked for this stock. Next, ITD Cementation. We have highlighted this stock on 11th August 2020, and 10th August 2020, and the opening price is 44.9. Yeah, the market is started from here. The same day the price has gone till 46.50. Yeah, 46.90. So in nearly 2 rupees profit per share you would have earned on the same day. So like if you have invested in ITD Cementation, the profit percentage will be 11.53 percentage, and if you are invested in Oricon Enterprises, the profit percentage will be 8.79. Thanks for watching our channel. If you think information given in my channel is useful, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Happy trading.